Do you know something amazing? Right now, inside your body, your brain is cleaning itself, repairing itself, and protecting you without you even realizing it. Even while you are resting, even while you are sleeping, your brain is working continuously like a silent machine. It never stops. It never takes a break. It is always active, always alert, always helping you live your life. Today, we are going to learn English through an interesting scientific concept: brain repair and aging. This is not just a science lesson. This is also an English learning journey. Listen carefully to every sentence. Try to repeat after me. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. The more you practice, the better you become. Let us begin with a simple question. What is the brain? The brain is the most important organ in the human body. It controls everything. It controls your thoughts, your emotions, your memory, your movement, and even your breathing. Without the brain, the body cannot function. Without the brain, there is no life. The brain is the control center of the body. The brain is made up of billions of tiny cells called neurons. These neurons communicate with each other. They send signals from one part of the body to another. These signals help you think, speak, move, and understand. Neurons are very important for learning and memory. The brain controls the body through neurons. Now let us understand something very important. The brain is not only a thinking organ, it is also a self-repairing organ. Every day, some cells in the brain get damaged. This damage can happen due to stress, pollution, aging, or normal body processes. But the body has a natural system to repair this damage. The brain repairs itself every day. Let us learn a new scientific word. The word is autophagy. Autophagy means self-cleaning. In this process, cells remove waste materials and recycle useful components. Imagine your room is dirty. You clean your room and remove unnecessary things. After cleaning, your room looks fresh and organized. In the same way, cells clean themselves through autophagy. Autophagy keeps cells healthy. Autophagy keeps the brain clean. Cells remove waste through autophagy. This process is very important. Without cleaning, waste materials will accumulate. When waste accumulates, cells cannot function properly. When cells cannot function properly, the body becomes weak. So, autophagy is essential for life. Now let us learn another important word. The word is mitophagy. Mitophagy is a special type of autophagy. It removes damaged mitochondria. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell. They produce energy for the body. Every activity you do, walking, talking, thinking, needs energy. This energy comes from mitochondria. Healthy mitochondria are very important, but sometimes mitochondria get damaged. When they are damaged, they cannot produce energy properly. So the body removes them through mitophagy. Mitophagy removes damaged mitochondria and keeps healthy ones. Healthy mitochondria give energy. Now let us understand what happens during aging. Aging is a natural process. Every living organism grows old. As we grow older, our body changes. The brain also changes. The cleaning processes in the brain become slower. Autophagy becomes slow. Mitophagy becomes slow. Aging slows down brain repair. When the cleaning process slows down, waste materials start to accumulate. Damaged proteins are not removed. Cells become weak. The brain becomes less efficient. This can lead to various problems. Memory becomes weak. Thinking becomes slow. Concentration decreases. Sometimes this condition can lead to serious diseases. One example is Alzheimer's disease. In Alzheimer's disease, harmful proteins accumulate in the brain. These proteins affect neurons. They damage memory and thinking ability. A person may forget names, places, and events. Brain diseases affect memory. This is why brain health is very important. A healthy brain helps you live a better life. It helps you think clearly. It helps you remember important things. It helps you make decisions. A healthy brain supports a healthy life. Brain health is important for everyone. Now let us learn how to keep the brain healthy. There are some simple habits that can improve brain health. The first habit is sleep. Sleep is very important. During sleep, the brain cleans itself. It removes waste materials. Sleep improves brain function. Good sleep supports brain repair. The second habit is healthy food. Food gives nutrients to the brain. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grains support brain health. These foods provide vitamins and minerals. Healthy food supports the brain. Eating healthy food improves brain function. The third habit is exercise. Physical activity improves blood flow. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to the brain. Exercise keeps the brain active. Exercise improves memory and thinking ability. Regular exercise supports brain health. The fourth habit is reducing stress. Stress is harmful to the brain. It damages brain cells. It affects memory and thinking. Reducing stress helps the brain stay healthy. Relaxation, meditation, and positive thinking can reduce stress. Less stress means a healthy brain. The fifth habit is learning new things. Learning keeps the brain active. It creates new connections between neurons. Reading, writing, and speaking improve brain power. Learning improves memory. Learning improves intelligence. Learning improves confidence. Now let us practice some English sentences. Listen carefully and repeat clearly. My brain repairs itself every day. Cells remove waste through autophagy. Mitophagy removes damaged mitochondria. Healthy mitochondria produce energy. Aging slows down brain repair. Brain health is important for life. I take care of my brain. Let us repeat again. My brain repairs itself. Cells stay healthy through cleaning. Energy comes from mitochondria. Aging affects the brain. Healthy habits improve brain function. I learn English every day. Now let us learn some important words. Brain means the control center of the body. Cells are the basic units of life. Neurons are brain cells that send signals. Autophagy means self-cleaning. Mitophagy means cleaning damaged mitochondria. Aging means growing older. Energy means power. Repair means fixing damage. Understanding these words helps you learn both science and English. When you learn words with meaning, you remember them better. When you repeat sentences, you improve your speaking. Practice makes you confident. Confidence improves communication. Now let us understand one important idea. Just like your brain needs cleaning, your mind also needs practice. If you do not practice English, you will forget it. If you practice daily, you will improve. Small practice every day leads to big success. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches something new. Speak without fear. Learn with confidence. Improve step by step. Let us repeat some motivational sentences. I am learning English with science. I improve every day. I speak clearly and confidently. I practice daily. I grow step by step. Your brain is powerful. Your mind is strong. With practice and patience, you can achieve anything. Learning English is not difficult. It becomes easy with regular practice. Remember, your brain is always working for you. It is cleaning, repairing, and protecting you every moment. You must also support your brain. Eat well, sleep well, think positively, and keep learning. Let us finish with a powerful thought. Practice daily. Learn continuously. Stay curious. Stay confident. Repeat after me. I learn English every day. I improve step by step. I grow with knowledge. I train my brain. I become better every day.